So welcome again. So continually we have to be see about the presentation. So what I said earlier, your quality, it's purely on that visualization of the data. So the presentation means a simple how we have to be visualize the data. Say everybody is having that knowledge in stock markets. So there we are having the certain graphical representation. There the people will say so many points is there, and then ups and down, when we have to be buy, and then so when we have to be sell, all kind of the suggestions that has been given into the stock market graph. When I am looking into the entire stock exchange values, I wouldn't able to understand that is that anything from the data that is scrolled in the screens, but that has been showed in that form of that representation of the graphs. I can easily able to understand what the data is going to say. So the visualization is that a very important concept behind the data presentation. And now quickly we have to be see in what way we have to be give that presentation. That is the very simple way. So through by the charts I can able to represent the outcome of the data. So in case when we are talking about that is the charts, there is so many methods is there to show the charts. That is one basic method is called that is the line charts. So everywhere we can easily understand the graph through by that line. So from that line of that position we can able to be understand what the data is going to say. And the next kind of the chart is called that is the bar chart. So in the bar chart we can able to be give that certain multi-dimensional representation of the data. And another one famous method of charting method is called that is the pie chart. So in that circle we are having the varieties of the clustering. So from a single view we can able to be understand that which category is having that more dominant and which one is having that less dominant. Since each pie piece that has been classified with the different colors and then appropriate percentage that has been plotted on the representation of the each color. And then so next kind of method is called that is the scatter plot. So in the scatter plot we are having that one center line, and then above that line we may say these are all that positive data, and then below that line we may say these are all that negative data. So from that scatter plot we can able to understand the positives and also negative representations. So these are all the categories comes under the charts. And another one normal method is called that is the graphs, and the third one is called that is the maps. So in maps we are having that the two varieties is called that is the bubble and then polygon. The famous, and then everywhere we are using one final method is called that is the dashboards. Every applications is having the dashboards. In the dashboards they will show varieties and then variety glimpse of that data that has been running behind our systems or that application. So from the dashboard itself we can able to be clearly understand from top to bottom, so what is going on in the present moment of the situation, or that industrial oriented finance activity, or that in case of the purchase, or that whatever it may be, we can able to be easily understand, and then we have to be make a comparison with that other attributes and then other parameters also. So in that visualization the major concepts that is considered the charts, graphs, maps, and then so dashboards. And next one we are going to be see about the plotly and another one graphical method. So this way we can able to be give that the sepal width and also sepal height. I can able to be represent the data in the varieties of the colors. So from that representation I can able to go with that plotly. So and one final and Python oriented method is called that is the matplotlib. In our programs also we are using this representational method, this matplotlib that is available in the Python. Just we have to be call upon this matplotlib as an as import method, and you have to be feed that data into the plot matplotlib, and then this will plot that graph for you. So you can able to easily see these methods. And another one method is called that is the Apache superset. So this is also dashboard kind of data visualization method, and also it's giving that data exploration platforms. It supports that data sources from that SQL and SQL Alchemy, and supports that querying using that SQL, and allows that sharing the dashboards, and it's having that security features like that authentication, user management, and roles. So to whom that data should be shown, that also be possible in Apache superset. And other notable tools, already we know Excel is there. So Excel we can able to be plot representational for 2 or 3 columns, that is possible. And another one is method is called Tableau Public, so that is recent tool we are using. And a Grafana, and a famous tool is called, that is that Microsoft Power BI, and we are having that many tools that's outcoming in every day. And what challenges we are facing, so that has to be we are seeing into that next episode.